Hey everyone, it's Kelly the Frugal Fun Mum. Welcome back to my kitchen and the real life mess that it is. Why are we here every week? I'm still sick, so I'm doing a voiceover. I'm going to be cleaning the pantry eventually, but I've got an audio book here because that's all I had, and I need something to listen to, so it keeps me busy. I do have a list of things I want to get done today. So I want to clean the kitchen, I want to clean out the fridge, I want to clean out the freezer, I want to do some meal prep and some cooking, and I also want to do some baking. So stay tuned for those videos, but I wanted to make each one separate. So the family do help me with cleaning. Someone asked, just because I like to record for YouTube and give you guys a little bit of inspiration that no mess is unachievable. Well, cleaning any mess is achievable, but cleaning it within a designated time frame can be an entirely different story. So yes, this is 2 full days. It's Saturday and Sunday. We are quite minimal with the dishes that we have. So we have 8 plates and 8 bowls, and there's about 8 cups, and there's a bit more cutlery than that, but there is pretty much all the basic per person. So once we kind of go through 2 days worth of meals, everything's been used up, and then so it kind of forces us to clean. I don't mind, at least then, because the weekends are busy anyway, so at least we can eat happily and go through. Some of the meals I've already pre-cooked, or it's just a quick oven cooking thing, so it gets messy quickly, but it cleans pretty quickly as well. I have had this on speed as I normally do, but it didn't take me too long. I think it took about 16 minutes overall in the kitchen. I want to clean everything back to basics because yes, I want to do some baking. I really need to make some cookies because I didn't buy any, and everyone's like, where are the cookies? So cleaning the stove, I really like it when it's nice and shiny. Also, I'm going to clean out the kettle because you can see it's a bit burnt in there. So I'm just going to add in some extra water. I put in some vinegar here, and I'm also putting in some citrus acid. I just had a tiny bit left, so I've just chucked it in there. I know you can put in any other acidic type thing. I'm just using what I have, and then I will boil that. I'm also cleaning out the toaster, so taking out the crumb tray, and then I'm going to just pretty much tap the toaster upside down on the bench, which you won't see, but it was funny. Yeah, it's all dirty inside. I don't know how to get half of that out. And then, half of it spilled onto the bench. I had no idea. So I've put it all back together again. And I'm also draining the oil here. So I've just got the funnel with some paper towel there. So here's our kettle, nice and clean. I can't believe how well that works. Just a little bit of vinegar. So good. So I'm just putting away the rest of the dishes. It's been about an hour. I did kind of sit down in between, and so most of them are pretty dry, and I want to put it all away because I want to do some baking, and I want to make sure that the benches are really clean, and also I have access to everything that I need. Just the last couple of dishes that I have here, and then I'm going to wipe down the benches. I have like a method spray and wipe. I think someone said it's antibacterial, but either way, this just gets my benches nice and clean. I do have an anti-bac spray as well that I sometimes go over. I know there's a whole lot of mess behind me, and that will be coming up in the next video where I do the pantry clean. So make sure you subscribe so you can follow us along cleaning out the rest, and hopefully I'll get the other bench clean where we have all the build up of the just dump it pile, as we call it. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope it gave some inspiration for you to see, don't look at the mess, how quickly you can clean a kitchen. Give the video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me a comment below, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.